Step 3, have a vision that's bigger than you. And so this kind of ties back to step 2, but you gotta have a vision that's way beyond just making money, because you're gonna hit a certain point in your business. You will, I'm telling you now, you will, where you're making good money. Money's coming in. What's next? So I'll tell you that the success without fulfillment is the ultimate failure, and Tony Robbins said that. And you gotta make sure you have some level of contribution that's connected with your business, and you have a vision that's way beyond just making money. So when you're making money in your business, what are you going to be able to do with it? What's that greater vision? What's that bigger purpose beyond just serving you? And so I really want you to think bigger here. What is a cause that's like really near and dear to your heart? What's a way that you want to give back to the world? So for us, I'm going to the bank today. We got our confirmation for our nonprofit, our 501c3 in Senegal. So we're going to open up a bank account for that. And we are going to get started building our school in Senegal. And that for me, like, that brings me so much joy. Like, I'll start crying when I think about it. Whew. But that's what your vision should be. It should be something that like gets you going, man. Like something that really fires you up. Because your business, building a business it's not easy. And I'll tell you that. Whew, got me emotional. Hot diggity dang. But you have to have that vision of when I'm successful and as I'm building my business, how am I really going to help people? How am I really going to contribute and serve and make an impact on the world?